We're starting today's video from a little bit different location. Me and Frank are here hiking actually. It's really fucking cold. I can barely feel my hands. Frank! Yo! I don't know where he's at. Alright, well the actual plan for the video is rain, and that headlight is completely out now because of water. I've literally redone the seals on that headlight so many times, but this is like my third or fourth headlight ballast thing that I gotta replace and then redo the seal. I don't know how water gets in there every single time, but more Frank E93 mods.
Intercooler.
So this is my old VRSF 7.5 inch intercooler. We're gonna put it up there. Gonna look nice and cool.
I'm inheriting everything.
And then later in this video when we're done with that, I have a 1M power steering reservoir because this is what everyone switches to because it doesn't leak and it looks a little better. I got a, I think it's called a brake booster vacuum line, Relocation, and then a 335D coolant reservoir. So we got a bunch of relocation shit to make it look better, but that's after Frank's from out in the cooler.
Always after Frank.
All right, so we gotta run to my house because I had to get an SD card, but Frank might be getting an M3 bumper for an absolute deal. So we're waiting on one notification right here.
If you're watching this, I appreciate you, buddy.
Waiting on one notification right now. Me and this guy. What? New permanent cure for erectile dysfunction. We need that. All right, we're back. We didn't get no notification yet, but we're gonna jack it up.
Oh! Nah, I'm just playing.
Hey, if you ever catch me in the woods with a grizzly bear, help the bear.
Absolutely.
Yes, indeed. All right, we're gonna jack it up and then take the front bumper off. Then we gotta start pulling out his old one. All right, Frank's jacking the car up right now. I have this very annoying thing that makes noises. I'm gonna fuck with him. There she goes. She is out. What?
What the fuck, bro?
M3 bumper Frank, how we feeling?
Yes! This bitch is about to look nasty.
You're so excited.
I love you, Solomon. That was a terrible.
Intercooler's coming out right now. This is you. First guys you don't have to worry about.
Man, what the fuck is that noise? That motherfucker's been going on for like 20 minutes now.
What do you mean?
I was like,
Is it coming from the car?
what the fuck is that funny, man?
What?
What is that beeping noise?
Nothing. Nah, look, it's this little thing right here. I put this in here like 20 minutes ago. You gave me no reaction for the longest time. And then he finally says something. Well, I got the cut, and boy did I cut. So I cut a lot out. I don't know if it's enough. I think it might hit here, but we got all the boots in. We're gonna try to fit up the intercooler and pray to fucking Jesus it fits. All right, me and Frank give up for the night. It's like 1 a.m. Doing another day 2 install. See y'all fellas in the morning. Yo, get in the car. I got a mission for us. We gotta go save a turtle.
A turtle?
Yeah. All right, I know it's like right around here. Is that him? Is that him? No!
Did you get clapped?
He got clapped already. We were coming to save him. He's dead. Dude, literally 2 seconds. Alright, day 2 Franks. We're getting this thing on there today. For everyone who was getting on me for not torquing my wheels in rubber run, see, torquing the wheels, right? First start up. How bad did we mess up? About to find out. We did zip tie a bunch of shit up, so it looks a little crazy. Yeah.
Oh man, let it begin.
I think this shit looks so crazy without a bumper. Pretty much what we're looking for here is just boost and IATs, even though we're not going to go long enough. Test drive, you can see a difference in temp. As long as it makes boost and doesn't blow the boots off, we're good. Hey, Captain. We're catching up. We gotta go get some work done. We have no bumper, fuck them. Go, Frank, go.
Fuck.
He's literally running. It's gotta be your inner fender well. The zip tie must have came off for going 100 miles an hour.
Damn, bro, I wanted to fucking catch the dub.
Bro, he just, yeah, right there. We're a little
wow, that's actually perfect right there.
It's a perfect little indent for us.
BMW lane. Man, fuck!
Damn, we were about to go get that motherfucker. It's like, it would have been close. That would have been a good race. This. We broke the zip tie. That would have been a hell of a race too. Dude, that thing ate the inner fender well pretty good right there.
Man, it sounded like something serious happened though, so I'm just glad it was just some fucking shitty plastic. Yeah.
All right, let's go hitchhike on the side of the road. Help! All right, we kind of fixed the zip tie. We're back on the road. We got a lot of faith in that zip tie. It did it again. It literally did it again.
Man, it's too fun of a car. You can't limit me, man.
All right, so we're getting the bumper back on and the lip back on, and then it'll be good to go. So I don't think we had any problems other than the thing falling off when we were trying to race the GTI, but other than that, I think she's mint. The bumper is now on and it looks like a 335. That's how it should look. And the M3 bumper's gonna sit nice. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here's the M3 bumper on the way. So that bumper's only gonna be on for another week or so. Alright, so Frankie officially has like everything FBO except for inlets and like a catback exhaust. That should look so much better. Looks exactly how a 335 should be. There's Wyatt's car, right there. So, this is what we got. We got a 1M power steering reservoir. Apparently they don't leak, so I really hope so. Because as you can see, this shit leaks literally everywhere and it's terrible. We got a thing to fix my headlight. We got this brake booster vacuum line relocation kit. I don't really know what it's called entirely. We got the 335D reservoir. This whole bag is for relocating this. So instead of boring y'all with that, I'm pretty much just emptying fluids and then putting the relocated shit in. I'm gonna get all this shit done in like 1 second. Ready? Watch this shit. Bam. Now it's done, and it's also 7 a.m. on a Sunday. So we got the D in, pause. It looks 100 times better. I couldn't get the 1M pump in because I accidentally threw away my OEM bracket that's supposed to like hold it up nice and cute right here. So I'm gonna have to go to like a junkyard or something and get another one. Here's this little brake booster vacuum line or whatever this thing is. This is like the relocation thing. That looks 100 times better as well. So Frankie's about to pull up and we're gonna go to this car meet actually. Crazy, I'm actually going to a car meet. I never go to car meets ever. But first I gotta bleed the power steering because yesterday when I started the car, the power steering pump started screaming at me, so I definitely got to bleed that real quick. Alright, so pretty much how you bleed a power steering pump. Just sit here and turn this motherfucker around like 100 times. And you should see a bunch of bubbles come out of this. Yeah. Alright, the power steering should be bled, so now I gotta wash the car real quick. All clean for once. Don't see that often. But we're about to get up out of here, see what kind of cars I got to meet today. This is actually Frankie's first time going to a car meet. We got an M2 in front of us on the way here. It's about 9 o'clock. We're rolling in like an hour late. This is supposed to be one of those calm meets. Franklin! What's up, man? What's up, buddy? Gorgeous. We're out here doing car meet things, like walking around. I hate filming in public, but fuck them.
Disclaimer, y'all, it's my first car meet.
I already told him. Man, what? St. Mary's County going crazy. I didn't know we had these in Southern Maryland, I ain't gonna lie.
I've never seen these in my life.
Gas prices are a little expensive to be doing that.
This is an excusable 328i.
That's the Southern Maryland McLaren right there. Yes, sir. That bitch is dumb clean. I think you can go with a bigger size turbo.
I don't think you'd be able to shut that hood.
What are you all taking pictures of? The car's over there, guys. Let alone does he have enough money for a Lambo, but has enough money to put wheels on it too. This is the best moment ever. They're looking at the car.
Your car.
He does look like the owner with this shirt on, I ain't gonna lie. God damn. Guys, that's a Toyota Camry. Gotta teach them.
Fair enough.
Holy shit. I could like eat off this. This is probably cleaner than my kitchen counter. On welds.
I want this fucking thing so bad.
There it is.
And I'd give this blood in my E93 for this fucking thing.
They're looking. Wonder whose car that is, huh? I guess it's yours. You got another shirt. I said it once, I'm gonna say it again. I need one. I'm honestly not a big fan of filming at car meets because I feel like every other car YouTuber just point a camera at cars and talk. A bunch of shit we'll never be able to afford, like this.
Beautiful LS.
It's a great LS. You know what I'm saying? Dude, what I'm saying?
Hey man, the real one's over there. The better one's right there. This one's slow.
Wait, is that Frank E93? Is he at the meet? Wait, Frank?
Dude, I'm getting love out here. This is...
Hey. Dude, am I leaking like an extraordinary amount of coolant or something? What's going on? Whoa, they're getting into it. Get a room. Leaky power steering all over the place right now. That's fucking beautiful. All right, shut this hood quickly. Man, that thing is sweet. Want me to start it up for you? Want me to start it up for you? No? All right.
What's that?
I gotta put a 15 on there.
Oh, you put a 15 on there?
I'll put a 15 on there. Yeah. But yeah, that's my Instagram. If you wanna... What's that?
Is your car?
No, I'm just fucking with you. I wish. Yeah.
Man, that's kind of refreshing. No burble on it.
Yeah, nothing. No flames. Woo! That thing's sweet. Uh-oh.
Started it.
Uh-oh. He knows it's not my car anymore. He's loving it too. Motherfucker better hit him. We gotta get the super flyby. Come on.
my face.
What the fuck? My eardrum's gone.
Dude,
delete it. I did an eardrum delete.
He had to have just seen us right by his door.
We ran across the entire fucking parking lot to go see that.
Hey, you want me to start it? I can start this one.
Yo, we can start it over here now, but all right.
That's sweet.
Yeah. He knew I was capping. Little check engine light. Cannot make it out of this parking lot. Talk to him. Clear the code and hit the road.
Back to
10 out of 10 car. Well, we tried leaving the meat, and I'm low on coolant, so all these people are just gonna stay up and put coolant in this thing. Superman dropping or something. Cold oil rip, fuck them. We don't need a motor. There's a lot of cops out right now because they know this beat happens every Sunday. I do a little flyby for Frank's Instagram. Y'all sleeping on Frankie's Instagram. He stays active as hell on there. Stopped at the airport and hopes to see our boy with the airplane and the G-Wagon, but he's not here right now. But it's a beautiful sight to see her here. Yeah. No way. Bet he just wrecked that bitch right there.
That was tough.
But we're getting some Instagram pictures. I also got a gimbal, so I'm trying to figure out how in the hell to use it. Sweating ball weather out here right now.
I said, girl, why you keep calling? I said, girl, why you keep calling? Yeah. She said, I need a new whip. Yeah, cause I know that you're still ballin'. She just wanna go back to the future, so I brought that girl a DeLorean. 21 minutes until I gotta go, so I told that girl I'm gonna slaughter it.
We're leaving the airport now. Took a lot of pictures. Yeah! What is he stopping for?
I blew off my charge pipe.
Alright, pull in there.
It's like, I'm just playing. I was just gonna follow you.
Alright boys, that's the end of the video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe if you ain't already. Follow me on Instagram. I'm active on there all the time. Next video, we got some big mods for Frankie's E93, and something really bad happened to my E92. So you guys will hear about that in the next video. But alright, I'm gonna head in.
Pocket watching, that's a deathfish. I put a price on your head. I be sleeping with a tech bitch. See that shit right on my bed. Bro, you be capping, you ain't by no action, so we never care what you said. Keep on talking, we feel them with lead.